I'm so weird. Look, this is what it is. So just imagine a little bud. Probably have to make 2 little nail holes.
Kind of feels like this. Hi-ya! These dirty tiles, man.
Kind of coordinates with the few lamps I have. So, about to hang it up. Those are so cute.
What'd you say, Steve?
We are tackling my daughter's bathroom, and it's a pink marble powder room. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. I was looking on Facebook Marketplace and I seen this listing and it said marble tiles. So I convinced my husband to take me to the country in this other town. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have 300 marble tiles and they were so heavy. Usually these go for like 10 bucks a piece because it's genuine marble. I got them for less than 80 cents a piece. And so we had to load them up in the truck. Oh my gosh, I felt like I was working on the slave yard, but they were so heavy, but they are so beautiful, you guys. 300 marble tiles. Okay, guys, every time I want to have an attitude with my husband, I got to remind myself he is my secret weapons. He makes all of my renovation visions and dreams come true. I just got to tell him exactly what I'm looking for and describe the vibe. So once I had all of the tiles laid out, because they're all different, you got to make sure they're cohesive and the right colors and intonations are next to the right tiles. It was kind of a process, but once I had that part done, we could begin the part of tiling the wall. Now, I wasn't sure how much I'd have because there was about 25% that was wasted. So once we had the walls tiled, I was going to do a lime wash on this wall, but then I second guessed myself and I decided just to lime wash the ceiling. So we ripped up the linoleum on the floor. We purchased a new vanity. And then I realized I wanted something for the wall. So I went to Floor and Decor, which I love. They have so many options, guys. I would 100% recommend Floor and Decor, and their prices are pretty cheap too. We went with this fluted tile. It's a classic architectural feature. It's a little bit trendy, but it comes from Greek architecture, and I think it will stand the test of time. So we installed the bidet. This amazing company gifted me this LED mirror, which I'll share more later. So now that we're up to speed, I want to talk about this new idea that I had. So originally, I had done a DIY marble entryway by placing, removing the existing frame and adding rectangular pieces in front. But something just wasn't right. It just wasn't giving me that je ne sais quoi. So let me explain. And yes, I think the marble threshold, oh my God, it's gonna be chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. And it's an easy DIY project. You just gotta cut the marble, which you can do with any wet saw, with a circular saw. But I love how with marble, every piece is different. That's the beauty of it. Every piece is different. Really like how you have all the different colors of marble.
This might be a little bit strong. Maybe too long.
All right, so I'm just pulling these one by one. These cute little ornaments. $10, those are cute. And all these Santa cups. I'm looking for a little frame to put in the bathroom. Just a tiny piece of micro art. Look at this pink ice cream cup, so cute. Yeah, I just want some micro art to hang up.
I don't. Some stuff, I don't really think is cool.
Okay. Okay.
Both. Aren't those adorable?
Yes. How much are they?
Yeah.
$12. That's not bad. Those are so cute.
What'd you say, Steve?
So really the only things I got today, I wanted to restock on my favorite laundry detergent, Cozy Cashmere by Bath & Body Works. Smells so good. Same with Sun Drenched Linen. Then I got the dryer sheets. And then I got Sun Drenched Linen again for, like an aromatizer or whatever you call that. These are good. You just plug it in, like this. And then from the thrift store, I got this. I don't know why this was calling me. Just to add a little texture, like, let's pretend. My house is not clean right now, guys. I'm like studying for like a major exam. But just for like little areas, like right there. I mean, I don't know. I probably shouldn't have bought it, but just like a random... I'm so weird, look. I don't know why this speaks to me. A rusty hinge. Now, why would I want to buy a rusty hinge? I just don't know. But, so I got this. And then for the bathroom reno upstairs, I thought we could add this with just like a flower in it. I wish it had some other color besides this color right here. But this is what it is. So just imagine a little bud. Probably have to make 2 little nail holes to hold this up, which is not ideal. But yeah, that's what I got. Gosh, you guys, if you want to renovate your bathroom or just add that extra like luxury feeling and technology, get an LED mirror. This one in particular from Inyouths, it has so many features. Bluetooth, clock, weather, anti-fog, cool light, warm light. You can totally customize your purchase. I'm gonna link the company as well as provide a coupon code below. So I'm gonna end the video here, and when I come back, we're gonna add the lighting, we're gonna add the grout, we're gonna add all the finishing touches like some art, bathroom mat, just everything. So I'll see you next time, and don't forget to check out my links below so you can save some money.